How's it going, everyone? I'm Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. Today, I'm going to introduce all you Xterra folks to a new product. This is the roof light bracket kit for the Pro-4X and off-road Xterras that come equipped with factory roof lights. So, if you've got these lights up on the top of your truck, affectionately dubbed boob lights, these are going to be brackets that allow you to install any 3.5-inch aftermarket lights up there. So specifically, a couple examples are the Baja Design Squadrons and the Morimoto 4-bangers. This stainless steel bracket is precision bent and designed to fit to the factory cowl. You're gonna have a left and right, and they are directional. And these are just gonna mount using the factory hardware up into place, and you're gonna be able to wire new lights into the factory harness using this connector. This little harness that we include plugs straight into the factory harness. You don't have to damage or destroy or cut up or deal with broken wires, old wires on your factory harness. You can remove all that and set it aside and use this harness to replace it. You'll notice that 2 of these pins are not populated on this plug. That is because when we install these brackets, the geometry of the cover sensors prohibits them from being reinstalled in a useful way. We decided to go ahead and omit those. We didn't find any negative consequences other than you can turn on your lights with the covers on, but use some common sense and don't do that. These are gonna come with 2 sets of wires. You can wire up 3.5-inch lights, specifically the Baja Design Squadron Sport or the Morimoto 4-banger. By the Baja Designs, for example, those are usually gonna come with a connector that you can install directly onto these wires. If you go something else like the Morimotos, they come with DT connectors, and we will be including those in kits with each light that requires them. So we'll have all the stuff you need to wire up your lighting solution for your roof lights. So if you're looking to upgrade your performance of your roof lights, you can go ahead and get the roof light bracket kit and do it yourself, or you can get one of our pre-made kits, our roof light upgrade kits, and we have everything you need included there. So if you're looking to set yourself up with more lighting performance for your Xterra, go ahead and go to z1offroad.com.